The Mercedes-AMG G63 has been an automotive icon since its debut, defined by a robust ladder frame chassis and a potent V8 engine. Rolfhartge, celebrating over 40 years of tuning expertise, embraces this heritage, applying its smart luxury philosophy to transform the G63 into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Rolfhartge's interpretation of luxury transcends mere opulence, integrating innovative solutions that enhance comfort, wellness, and performance. Every customization underscores German craftsmanship, from exterior detailing to interior health-centric features. Under the hood remains AMG's handcrafted M177 4.0L V8 biturbo, rated at 430 kilo of 585 HP at 6,000 RPM and 850 Nm of torque between 2,500 and 3,500 RPM. This engine is paired with AMG's 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth yet immediate power delivery. While many tuners chase peak figures, Rolfhartge focuses on seamless integration with the stock powertrain. The 2025 G63 retains its factory outputs, ensuring durability and factory warranties remain unaffected. Despite its 2.56 T curb weight, the Rolfhartge G63 sprints 0-100 km/h in 4.4s and electronically tops out at 220 km/h. The result is a vehicle that feels as nimble and expressive as it looks imposing. Rolfhartge's tailored stainless steel exhaust system amplifies the V8 spark while maintaining compliance with Euro 6D ISC FCM emission standards. A valved setup allows drivers to choose between a restrained note in comfort mode or a raw, unfiltered roar in Sport Plus. An exclusive True Carbon package graces the front apron, side mirror caps, and rear diffuser, delivering both weight savings and visual drama. Rolfhartge chrome grille elements replace the standard MB Star, asserting a bespoke identity. Custom front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and a rear roof spoiler are sculpted for optimized airflow and downforce, enhancing highway stability without compromising the G-Class's legendary off-road stance. Two one-off designs, G-Black, midnight black exterior with Porsche Flamenco red interior, and G-Gold, black and gold duotone paint, showcase Rolfhartge's mastery of color contrast and premium finishes. Rolfhartge equips the G63 with ultra-light, high-strength 10x20 Fuso No. 2 forged wheels, reducing unsprung mass for sharper handling. Front and rear wear two 95/40 ZR22 performance tires, calibrated for a balance of grip and comfort, ensuring the SUV maintains both composure on-road and capability off-road. Every surface is wrapped in sumptuous full-grain leather, G-Black in burgundy red, G-Gold in a glamorous gold-black duotone, accented with contrast stitching. Rolfhartge's center console houses a concealed 10.5L refrigerator, perfect for keeping beverages chilled during long journeys or off-road excursions. Over 1,000 individual color-changing fiber optic lights weave through the Alcantara headliner, creating a starry sky effect that personalizes the cabin ambiance. From engraved aluminum door sills to bespoke shift paddles wrapped in leather, every touchpoint reflects Rolfhartge's dedication to detail. The G63 features Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX infotainment with a 12.3 central touchscreen and dual 12.3 digital displays, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay TM and Android Auto TM. Standard ADAS includes Active Distance Assist Distronic, Active Steering Assist, and Evasive Steering Assist, ensuring highway autonomy up to 210 km/h. An optional Burmester R 3D surround system elevates the in-car concert experience, delivering crystal clear sound through 18 strategically placed speakers. Each Rolfhartge G63 includes an integrated AE-less air purifier matched to leather hues, filtering pathogens down to 0.1 nanometers. A factory-applied antibacterial and antiviral coating safeguards interior surfaces, from steering wheel to door handles, ensuring hygiene in every journey. Rolfhartge's 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 transcends mere tuning. It's a holistic vision of smart luxury. With its untouched AMG power plant, meticulously engineered exterior enhancements, and interior innovations prioritizing comfort and health, this G63 stands as a testament to 4 decades of German craftsmanship. Whether you crave unfiltered V8 drama or a sanctuary of sanitized serenity, Rolfhartge delivers an automotive experience without parallel.